I'm excited to show you today the SpaLux 2270 FB treatment chair, one of our most sturdy treatment chairs because of the single pedestal base design. It has a very modern aesthetic with this low profile, just under 3-inch padding, able to go into a full Trendelenburg position. Has one of the most vertical seat backs of any of our treatment chairs. This chair has a single button reset, which brings the pedestal to the lowest setting, the footrest to the most downward position, and the backrest to the most upright position. This chair has an optional hand and foot remote. You can actuate the footrest from both of these remotes. This chair comes standard with rocker switches, both here at the back, as well as the base. The adjustment of the footrest is only done right here, and it's not available on the rocker switches back here.